we are getting set to raise a glass to the holidays without the splurge. Spirit specialist David Hudyma from William Grant & Sons joins us now with 3 easy cocktail recipes.
Absolutely. So I'm really excited to be showing you some really lovely drinks, all with bottles that are under $40.
Very important.
Very important, especially right now with the way things are going to the holiday season. So first and foremost, we have our Sailor Jerry spiced rum.
Okay, this is right here.
That's the spiced rum right there. And so we recommend making that with a hot apple cider. Very, very easy to do. Go to your local grocery store, pick up some lemons, pick up some apple cider that you can get in cartons. It's not out yet. It's going to be very, very soon.
Actually, I have seen it at my grocery store.
Perfect.
So get some now.
Now's the time.
And do you suggest like heating that up, especially with a spiced rum?
Absolutely. Throwing it all into a pot, adding your Sailor Jerry spiced rum under $40. And what's great about this and the reason it works is because Sailor Jerry, it's smooth enough that it's going to blend with those flavors, but pronounced enough that the flavors like vanilla, caramel, buttered toffee are still going to come out and add to the drink rather than taking away or getting lost in there.
Okay.
Beautiful for the holiday season or if you want to pair it with dessert. So for me,
oh, I like that idea.
Right? So something like pecan pie. I personally add a little Sailor Jerry to my pecan pie. Please don't tell my wife.
Okay.
I like to keep that one a secret.
Alrighty, and then eggnog, of course, is another tradition.
An absolute classic. So for this one, we want to change things up. Normally, when we think about eggnog, we are thinking about rum, we're thinking about cognac. We want to mix this up, give people the chance to surprise their friends and family. So again, you can buy eggnog at the grocery store. If it's not there yet, it will be in like a week.
Yes.
Maybe add some, a cinnamon stick, other mulling spices into there, and we're going to add 2 ounces of our Gibson's Finest Sterling in there. And so this is a Canadian whiskey, supporting local, and it's got these lovely flavors of light floral, some vanilla, some caramel in there, kind of mixing things up, changing how you do your eggnog and giving it a new opportunity to surprise your friends while you're putting up your Christmas tree or you're at a bonfire, something with friends and family.
Yeah, because it's never, eggnog is never one of those drinks that you have kind of like with a meal or before a meal, because it's kind of heavy, right?
It's definitely heavy, definitely a little sweeter. Think of your desserts coming through there. Now, I drink quite a bit of eggnog, so by the time I'm done, I'm feeling very full.
Very full. Not eating.
Yeah, and then just mixing it up with a nice little bit of whiskey thrown in there is always fantastic.
Okay, and then what's the one that we're going to make today?
Lastly, we're going to be showing off a little bit of a mule twist. I don't know if you've ever had like a Moscow mule, anything like that. Perfect. So we're doing that, but we're going to be adding some Scotch whiskey to that.
Okay.
So first thing you need is going to be your lime juice. So we're going to add about ½ an ounce of our lime juice to our glass with ice. We're then going to add about 3 ounces of ginger beer. You can use ginger ale if you want. I like ginger beer because it adds a nice little spiciness to it. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of our Grant's Triple Wood. So that's this bottle right here. So Grant's is great. It's actually finished in 3 different types of casks. So you're going to have your virgin oak cask, your American white oak cask, and then your ex-bourbon casks. And that gives you a combination of flavors. That's going to give you a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of floral, a little bit of black spice all coming through.
Okay.
And then we're going to give it a nice little stir over our ice. You can do this in a mule glass.
Well, I was going to say, would you normally serve it in a mule glass?
Absolutely.
But of course, you can't see that on television.
No,
if you do that,
now,
right?
I like to do that at home because I'm a purist like that. Then you'd add a little
strike
bit of
me as that,
Thank
being
you.
a spirit specialist.
So then we
I'd be so intimidated making a drink for you.
Don't even worry about it. I will literally drink anything, which is great. But we've got this beautiful mule. You give it a nice little stir. Add your lime in there.
May I
Please.
try some? Just
hey,
a
it's your
little
morning
bit.
show. You got to get through it.
Oh, that is really, really nice.
Right, and gives you just like a little bit of complexity, changes up that mule recipe that we know so well, and gives you something to try with your friends, your family, do something different and surprise them.
Okay, all of these bottles available at the LCBO?
Available at the LCBO, all under $40, so we're not breaking the bank. In this holiday season, you can still have, dollars for presents and all the important things in life.
Right. And probably if you're hosting, a good idea, of course, to offer a mocktail as well, but to offer maybe like one signature drink. That way you're not buying a whole bunch of bottles.
Absolutely, and all of these guys are great because you can do them in large format, you can do them for your crowds, for get-togethers, so you don't have to stress about making each individual drink.
Okay.
You can do them in a large format, whether that's heated up over in a pan, you're making that into a larger container, or if you want to do that one at a time, you can have it pre-batched and then pour out each time, just top with some ginger beer. Yeah.
Okay, always responsible.
Always responsible.
Always.
Absolutely.
David, thank you very much.